Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, improving productivity in the public sector is essential, not only for delivering high-quality services efficiently to our citizens, but also for supporting sustainable economic growth. Mr. Speaker, sir, our government has implemented various strategic initiatives and reforms aimed at modernizing public sector operations, building capacity, and fostering result-oriented culture. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Asian Productivity Organization is undergoing a major transformation through its Vision 2030, which aims to enhance productivity, social progress, and environmentally sustainability across the region. Under Fiji's chairmanship from 2023 to 2024, the APO's collaboration has been significantly strengthened, and Fiji has played a leading role in shaping and advancing the Vision 2030 framework. During the 66th meeting in Seoul last week, the vision was adopted, and Fiji presented its strategic partnership program focusing on green productivity and enhancing public sector productivity through knowledge sharing and policy support. Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji's leadership was instrumental in guiding members towards a need-based, member-led approach aligned with national development goals and Vision 2030 principles of innovation, inclusiveness, and sustainability. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry has undertaken significant groundwork towards establishment of the National Productivity Commission of Fiji, a landmark initiative to embed productivity enhancement at the core of national development. In alignment with the global best practices, the Ministry conducted benchmarking studies with the Asian Productivity Organization in Tokyo, as well as with the Productivity Commission of Australia, Jobs and Skills Australia, and the Australian Bureau of Stats. These engagements provided valuable insights into proven productivity models and institutional frameworks, which will guide the establishment of the Commission suited to Fiji's socio-economic context. These findings highlighted the need for a national productivity body that will provide independent research-based policy advice to the government, conduct public inquiry on key economic and social issues, promote productivity, efficiency, and fairness, and support policies that improve the well-being of all Fijians. Speaker, sir, Fiji hosted the 65th Heads of National Productivity Organizations in Nadi on 23rd to 25th October 2024, where the APO launched its flagship sustainability platform, Green Productivity 2.0, that integrates productivity and environmental sustainability. The launch of the GP 2.0 in Fiji was highly symbolic and meaningful as it underscored the importance of sustainable productivity given Fiji's exposure as an island nation facing climate and economic pressures. At this meeting, my permanent secretary as the APO Director for Fiji accepted an invitation to join the Green Productivity Advisory Council. This gives Fiji a direct role in shaping the GP 2.0 agenda, supporting the design and oversight of this initiative in the Asia-Pacific region, together with senior officials from Japan, Indonesia, Singapore, and Thailand. Following an inaugural meeting in Osaka in April, discussions with the fellow council member, Professor Yasuri Matsumoto, the Science and Technology Advisor for the Minister for Foreign Affairs of Japan, have been ongoing to introduce technologies and training suited to Fiji's needs in waste management and in the agriculture sector. These improvements in agriculture can be aligned with green outcomes for more efficient practices, reduce environmental impact, and better livelihoods for our farmers, and signals Fiji's commitment to applying the GP principles, which is productivity and environment, in key domestic sectors. Mr. Speaker, sir, the government is also advancing reforms to improve the ease of doing business in Fiji. My ministry, together with the Ministry of Trade, Cooperatives, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Communications, has launched an innovative digital platform called Business Now Fiji. This platform simplifies business processes, attracts investments, and drives Fiji's economic growth. Following Fiji's ranking of 102nd in the World Bank's 2020 Doing Business report, the government took proactive measures to improve business processes in Fiji. On 26 September 2024, Business Now Fiji launched its first phase of integrated e-services for promoting ease of doing business. Mr. Speaker, sir, a training of enhancing public sector productivity was conducted from 2nd to 5th December 2024 here in Suva. This national level training involved 42 participants from 20 ministries and state-owned enterprises who strengthened their understanding of key productivity concepts such as productivity measurement, public-private partnerships, citizen-centered service delivery, regulatory practices, and practical productivity improvement tools. These initiatives have built the capacity of senior officials of productivity focal points across government to drive transformation and efficiency in their respective agencies. Mr. Speaker, sir, furthermore, the ministry has initiated work to appoint productivity champions in each of these government ministries. These champions will serve as focal points for promoting continuous productivity improvement, fostering innovation, and facilitating the implementation of productivity tools across the public sector. Consultations and cooperation, the Labour Management Consultation and Cooperation Committees established under the ERA as a mechanism to drive productivity at the workplace level is also being strengthened. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Fijian government has embarked on a transformative initiative which has with the establishment of the Fiji Learning Institute for the Public Service, a dedicated national institution operated by the Public Service Commission and the Ministry for Civil Service. It aims at strengthening the capacity development and leadership and productivity within the public sector. The government recognizes that human capital is the foundation of productivity and that the modernization of the public service depends on continuous learning and professional excellence. Fiji Learning Institute for Public Service aims at strengthening workforce competencies, promoting innovation and productivity, financing ethical government accountability, and a continuous culture for improvement to drive digital transformation. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am appreciative of the fact that I have been asked to answer this question today. With all being highlighted, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to put on record that the previous administration implemented strategies and made decisions which served only to demoralize and weaken the public sector. The coalition government is now diligently rebuilding confidence, trust, and morale within the civil service. Mr. Speaker, sir, the coalition government recognizes that the strength of any nation lies in the dedication and productivity of its servants. That is why we have taken decisive steps to uplift the welfare of our workers through pay increases, the regularization of contractual arrangements, increase in retirement age, and ongoing review of the employment terms and conditions. Mr. Speaker, said there is no longer the fear of losing their job at a month's notice. They have security of tenure. And, Mr. Speaker, sir, in 2 years, we have given civil servants a pay rise of between 10 and 23%, unprecedented without a job evaluation exercise. The only time more than what we have given was when there were job evaluation exercises, never otherwise. Mr. Speaker, say in 2017 there was a job evaluation implemented and civil servants were forced to sign contracts. If they didn't sign the contract, they were not given that increase. Yes. Mr. Speaker, sir, when our public servants feel valued, respected, and fairly treated, they perform at their best. And when they perform at their best, the entire machinery of government operates more efficiently, delivering improved services and outcomes for the public and the nation. Mr. Speaker, sir, these initiatives are part of the coalition government's broader agenda, underpinned by the review of the ERA. This review is a reaffirmation of our commitment to fairness, equity, and mutual respect at the workplace. Mr. Speaker, sir, building the morale of our workers and restoring dignity in the public service, this government is laying the foundation for a stronger, more efficient, and more responsive civil service, one that truly serves the people with pride and purpose. Mr. Speaker, sir, when a young person gains a skill that opens doors to opportunity, that's productivity. When a woman finds a decent job that allows her to provide for her family, that's productivity. When a business innovates and creates jobs, that's productivity. When a government creates policies that enable all of this to happen, that is productivity. It is everyone's responsibility. Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the opportunity.